How to fix AMD Adrenalin error 195. First, Google search for AMD Adrenalin. You want to click on the first link that pops up. Then you will just select download software. Right here, you will click on download Windows drivers. Once you click on that, it's going to begin downloading right here. So we're just going to wait for that, show it in a folder, and you want to click on it to open it. Select yes. Now right here it should begin installing. It's gonna be checking for the hardware for driver and software compatibility, so make sure this you have all of your information saved. Okay, so here it's gonna show you the recommended steps, and if you click on additional options, the software type, I suggest doing driver only. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is open up your computer search and search for virus and threat protection. Now, right here, you will see virus and threat protection settings. You will click on it and you want to temporarily turn this off. Now, turn this off, try installing it then. And if it doesn't work, it should work, but make sure after you have finished this process that you turn back on real-time protection. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.